drizzle some ketchup up on the pizza. Now we're gonna add some cheese on the pizza. Gonna add pepper. Now we're gonna add some more pepper. We're gonna put cheese again on the pizza. We're gonna put spinach on the pizza. Now we're gonna put some cheese on the pizza again. We're gonna add cheese again. And now we're gonna add some magic masala made by Baba. Now we're gonna put the pizza in the oven and let it cook. And then another pizza in the oven. And we cooked 3 pizzas. We're gonna cook the pizza for 20 minutes and 400 Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna add some oregano. Delicious. And subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like the pizza.